Okay, before I do anything, I'm going to make sure that everything's cleared out. Okay. Okay, let's do a positive test case. That's annoying. So let's play. It works because we went through all the rigmarole. Do the whole rigmarole again. It works. Let's just say we want to play the same guy again without doing anything. Isn't that nice? It worked. End of game. Let's try the same thing. Well, that's not what I wanted. Let's pick another player. Same player, but we'll start this way. Nice. Same player, but we'll not choose. I think the reason it kind of worked the first couple of times, or looked like it was close to working the first couple of times, is when we first started up the game, I didn't change the player. So something was out of whack when all I was doing was using the other guy. Oh, how about that? We didn't get anything show up here. Resign. So let's do this. I'm going to close the browser without touching this. Open the browser again. Let's hit play, computer, and that's where we get the grid shows up, but nobody shows up there. If I resign the game, I go to play, computer, shows up. Same thing. Now I start a game. It works. It generally works sometimes. I'm going to close the browser without resigning again. Grid shows up. Works. But it'll keep doing this. If I just go over to play, if you're frustrated that you're not getting a choice and you hit play again without hitting the resign, you just keep hitting play because you don't get a chance to see the grid and you're frustrated and you want to try and play again so that you can see the grid. It just won't show up. But if you come down here, resign, and then hit computer, it'll show up. And then I can choose another player. I guess it figured out how to play the right move. Come back, I don't hit choose again. And we seem to have stumbled onto a coherent game for a while. So maybe we can also say that when you want to change players, if you don't hit the choose button down below, it can get flaky. And it seems to work right the next time, but it doesn't give you a chance to choose again. And when it does give you a chance to choose again, it gets flaky again. But if you do choose and play, it seems to reset itself. So there's some sort of, I would say there's some sort of initialization that's happening when you hit the play button that's not happening if you take any other route. Or it may happen depending on the route of the code. But like I said, so we don't resign. If you close the browser and you come back to it, oops, your server pooped. There we go. We came back and there was nothing here. So I hit play because I want to change my player because this guy was too dang good. Hit computer. And it won't let me change the guy. But if I hit the resign button, there we go. Just slowed everything down. But if I hit the resign button, it'll give me a chance to change to an easier guy. If I go through the whole step, it works. It's not exactly a Star Wars movie or the new Dune, but so I hope you're not falling asleep by now. But that's what I have to show you. I hope it helps.